Reading summaries should cover the material in the reading. They are designed to be a summary of the reading. This means that you shouldn't reflect on it. You shouldn't say, I liked this about the reading, I didn't like that about the reading, I thought the author was right about this, I thought the author was wrong about this. The purpose of these summaries is just to summarize the reading. Just tell me what the author said. Of course, it'll require you to synthesize. You can't cover everything that the author said, but you should summarize the main points in the reading. In addition, the second paragraph here, reading summaries should cover the material in the reading, not the material in the online lectures. There are online lectures from this material. In fact, you should do your summaries before watching the videos. If your summary contains content from the videos rather than the reading, it will receive a failing grade. Here's the reason for this. I find that in my regular courses, people will attend the lectures and not do the reading, which is why I make them turn in reading summaries before coming to class. Now, we can't do that because we're online in this situation. However, you should do the summary based on the reading, not based on the lecture. If there's content from the lecture in your reading summary, you'll receive a failing grade for that. And again, this is designed to ensure that you are doing the reading. You have to do the reading. You can't skip the reading. So, every day that there's a reading assignment, you have to turn in a reading summary. You should do that before you watch the videos. Reading summaries for each day will be due by midnight. This means, for instance, that the summary on the reading assignment listed for Tuesday, June 15th will be due on midnight, or by midnight on June 15th. So assignments are due daily by that midnight. So the first type of assignment are reading summaries. The second type of assignment are exams. 3 times during the term there will be an exam designed to test your knowledge of the assigned readings and lectures. You should note the first 2 exams are worth more than the third because the first 2 cover more material than the third does. The third one's like a half of a test, basically. Third assignment, there's a paper at the end. At the end of the semester, we will read about some controversies in the academic study of religion over the nature of the study of the Bible. Each student will individually write a short paper reflecting on that topic. And the debate, meaning the debate between these different people in the controversy. And again, further details will be provided later in the course. The fourth type of assignment are discussions, online discussions. In lieu of a live in-class discussion, we will have online course discussions intermittently. We won't have them every day, but we will have them several times a week. Some of the posted discussion questions will be related to the reading. Some will ask you to reflect on the reading or to connect it to your personal experiences or something like that. For each day there's a discussion. Your comments will be due by midnight. So just like the reading summary. So if we're reading the Gospel of Mark, you have to turn in a reading summary on the Gospel of Mark by midnight. If there's discussion questions on the Gospel of Mark, you have to answer those by midnight. In addition, to maintain a discussion or conversation, you must reply to the posts of the other students before midnight the following day. So this means, for example, if there are discussion questions for Tuesday, you must post a comment by midnight on Tuesday, but you must also respond to the same discussion thread by midnight on Wednesday. So you need to go back the next day, read some of the other comments, and engage in a conversation with the other students about the material. I expect to see real engagement in the dialogue. If your comment is, oh, I agree with you, or I agree with so-and-so, that's not a substantial comment, and that won't be credited. So for the final grade distribution, you can see here their reading summaries are 20% of the grade. Those are just the summaries on the reading assignments that you have. There are 3 exams. The first 2 exams are worth 20% each. The third exam, like I said, is half as much. It's 10%. The paper at the end is 20%, and the discussions on the discussion board are 10%.